Nakasa P1 Pro Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum. Meet the Nakasa P1 Pro, the all-in-one grooming kit that blends professional clipper power with built-in vacuum to keep your home spotless while you groom. This kit includes 5 proven tools: a grooming brush, a rake brush to protect the top coat, a high-performance electric clipper, a nozzle head, and a cleaning brush for easy hair removal from carpets, sofas, and floors. Say goodbye to messes. The built-in vacuum captures up to 99% of pet hair into a dedicated container as you trim and brush, so fur stays where it should and your home stays tidy. Dial in the perfect trim with 5 adjustable guard combs: 3 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 12 millimeters, 18 millimeters, and 24 millimeters. Detachable guards make switching lengths quick and effortless for different coats and styles. Low noise design helps keep pets calm. A gentle brushing step before trimming can help reduce nervousness, and offering a small treat can make sessions even smoother. Reliable after-sales support. Nebot offers a 1-year warranty, 45 days no-worry return, and 24/7 customer service to help with any questions or issues. Ready to upgrade your grooming routine at home?